So next up, it's a 1541 disk drive, not the grey model that a lot of people are used to. You can see the size difference. I mean, that's the, there you go, 1541. That's a 1541 Mark II. So, and the difference. I mean, when the 1541 2s came out, I mean, it sort of cleared out a bit, got a bit of space back, really. Look at that, the fuse in the twist there, it's incredible.
Fuse. Yeah, and you got the, it's so heavy.
Forget how big they are. But yeah, so what have you done with this one?
Right, these suffer with massive head noise. When you switch it on, I mean, it's well documented on YouTube and everywhere else, but it makes the head, when it goes to park position or buffers, it makes a hell of a noise. That's what I can describe it. So what I've done with this one, I'll show it running in a minute, but to stop that, the easiest way to do it is, the problem is this head, as you can see here, this head will move right back, and without any, there's a little, what I've done is, it's not a brilliant job, but I've put a piece of rubber across it and sort of glue gunned it in place. So when this goes back now, it will actually still read set to 0, because there's a test you can do to make sure it does, but you hardly hear it, and in a minute I'll run it up and you can hear it.
Okay, so we'll quickly pause and then we'll run it up. Right, so we're back. It's all set up. There it is. So the Commodore 64.
So
and
I'll switch it on.
Yep.
And this is the noise now it makes with the mod done. So beautiful. It's really quiet. So we just show you it works. Now, which one am I pressing out on this?
Just press R, letter R.
Okay.
And then there's 7.
Oh, don't like that because there's no disc in it.
Disc in it, but still nice and quiet.
Yeah. Let's try again. And we go. And boom.
Beautiful.
So that's the way of quieting them down.
Excellent.
It was a mod. It was a mod to do with the noise was supposed to be that the head was self-aligning. If you get any problems with these drives, because we've got quite a few in the family, the best thing to do is, if you're having trouble, switch them on, or switch them off, switch them back on without disking, and they seem to self-align again.
All right.
This one is better than these ones here, which are the old 1541s, but that noise there's no need for that noise to be there.
Why did they have it originally? Because it just kept on resetting the head every time because they kept on running off, or?
Well, it was to do with, the sound was supposed to make it so it was a self-aligning disk drive. Now I don't really know much history on it, perhaps someone else can say something about it, but the heads never come off because they're on rails. They just go out of alignment. So the best way is to switch off, switch on, and then the head will self-align back to
where it should be.
Say good clean up and everything, and they seem to work alright. As you can see there, it was quiet. It loaded fine. So yeah, I'm new to these disk drives, even though they're old. But yeah, they're great. There's no reason why, through servicing them and using the alignment tool, which you know how to do.
Line them back in.
Setting up the stepper motor, this motor inside, the stepper motor inside, it should run beautifully like that.
Yeah.
And we had 3 that weren't working, and I've got them all working.
Excellent.
So
there we go. Right, so there we go. It's 1541 modded, so it doesn't make that horrendous noise. Signing off.